Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide faces with Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is to start adding your footage where you want to hide the faces in your project. So simply just open your project by going to the File menu and go to Open Project. Here in my case, I'm just going to add these videos, and from here we are going to learn how to start hiding the faces. So as you can see in this video, we have these face or these two faces, and we want like to hide the faces. So simply we can go to the mask, for example, or we can find also these AI tools. And here you will have like there is the motion tracking, the planner tracking, the video AI enhancer, the noise, etc. So one way to do it is to go with the motion tracking. So for example, you will need, I want to hide this face. So I'm just going for motion tracking and I'm going to make sure to select the face. So from here, I'm just going to make sure to have the face selected. And here you will need, or we can choose any face. So I'm just going to stay like this, and from here we will have only this face or only this guy, and from here I'm just going to click on motion tracking and it will start tracking the motion. Now you can start like adding link elements. So basically in this link element you can add a mosaic, and here I'm just going to choose the format, and you can make it like circular or whatever the mosaic you want it to be. So here you will have like, let's just control Z, and basically you can start like choosing the amount of blur, the opacity, and now it will be tracking the face. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.